Right, floor lovers, another small cup and cove work. This is a science lab in northwest London, so it was a team of 4 floor layers, and it was quite a strict place, so we had to wear all our PPEs and cover ourselves up. So the job was done, as you can see, and it's looking rather nice. There was very odd corners. It was round, and we had to put a round piece and get it all welded. There was no capping, so we had to weld it to the white rock, and the finishing looked really great, and the main client were so happy. And it was cold, and we just couldn't wait to get the job done and get out of there. So yeah, it's another video of another big project. We got it done on time. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy your work and keep it up. Lovely.